Today we're in the historic center of Javea, also called the Javea Old Town. The Old Town is one of the three main areas you can find here. Beside that you have of course the Arenal and the port. So this Old Town, it breathes history. It's so rich and deep, and you have these beautiful monumental buildings such as the St. Bartholomew Church and the Mercat here behind me. So it has this rich history, but it's also booming and very much up and coming. You have these beautiful narrow Spanish-style streets filling up with beautiful boutique hotels, bars and restaurants. So this is a great place for any investment coming to this town. Now, before I'm starting this video, I would like to show you a little bit more about this history and also what you can find here. So let's go and head on. So we're not just here to talk about the Javea Old Town, but we're here because we are having our latest listing at only 20 meters from the location I was just at. And it is this beautiful, vast building from the year 1806. It's full of history and it is so large, it's over 400 square meters. So upstairs you can find a huge space that could be converted into a large apartment or different rooms, and it's a perfect investment opportunity because you could easily turn this into an Airbnb, a boutique hotel, and especially with the direction the Javea Old Town is heading into, I mean, this is such a great opportunity for investors, anybody who's looking to start a business here. So we're now in the bar, because downstairs we have a fully equipped bar, believe it or not. And this is just such a nice and cozy space. Right when you walk in, you see this beautiful natural Tosca stone wall. It's very much the traditional stone they used here in Javea. We have, like I said, a fully equipped bar right in front of me. Right here we have a different area which can seat a lot of people. And we have a very beautiful courtyard and a fully equipped kitchen. So here we are upstairs, and as I was saying, it's such a large space full of opportunity. For now, I'm going to leave you with some footage of what you can find here. So if you've been watching this video and you think that this is the perfect opportunity for you, don't hesitate to get in touch with us for any questions you might have. And as always, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all our latest videos.